I just graduated with my communications degree, so this is an awesome day for me. I feel so blessed, and I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for helping me to achieve this lifelong dream, and I want to thank my handsome husband Tony. I love you so much, and thank you for supporting me every step of the way, and this is just awesome, and thank you to everybody else that supported me as well and that was a part of my educational goal. I really appreciate it.